In 2026, there are some remote jobs that barely anyone applies for, but companies are hiring fast right now. The crazy part? Most of these jobs don't even require a college degree. Watch till the end because the number one job might surprise you. Number 5. AI prompt. Writer AI companies are looking for people who can give smart instructions to AI tools. You don't need advanced coding skills for this job. If you're creative and good at writing, this remote job can pay really well. Number 4. Online community manager brands are hiring remote workers to manage their Facebook groups, Discord servers, and online communities. The job is simple. Keep the community active, reply to people, and post updates regularly. Number 3. Thumbnail designer. As YouTube keeps growing, creators need eye-catching thumbnails more than ever. If you know basic Canva or Photoshop, you can start working from home and get clients quickly. Number 2. Voiceover. Artist videos, ads, and AI content creators are constantly searching for voiceover artists. If you have a clear voice and can speak confidently, you can start this remote job with just a microphone. Number 1. Virtual assistant. This is one of the fastest growing remote jobs in 2026. Business owners hire virtual assistants to manage emails, schedules, and simple daily tasks. Many companies even provide training for beginners. Which one of these remote jobs would you try first? Comment below and follow for more future job updates.